Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to publish app on Google Play Store. So let's be started. First we need to open our Play Console account. So we just open this My Dashboard Play Console. If you are first time, then you just open this Play Console account and you just need to $25 payment first time. Okay, so first we need to create application. Now you need to add your all information here. So first of all you just need to add app name here. So I just copy it, my application name, and you need to short description, long description, mail ID, screenshot, and many more. I will discuss all. So I just add language EN US, and according to your application you just add store listing part. My app is app, and this is free, and the declaration just click all three, just click also this and check this. Okay, now we have done these steps. App signing report, you can check this declaration part. Just click on create app. Now my dashboard is open here. So just you can check this. Just wait 2 or 3 seconds. Now open this dashboard. First of all, be careful about this. If you want to start testing mode in your APK file, then do this. Otherwise, just you need to this set up your app. Just click on set up your app and click on app access. We just click app access. Click on first option. My app have all functionality available for free. And just click on back dashboard option. We need to add all part and fill all steps. Now in application have add also, so just click on upper option. Otherwise if you application have not any add, then click on below option. Okay, just click on dashboard again. Click on content rating. My 2 steps is completed here. Now just click on content rating. Start questionnaire. And here is fill all information, email address. Now we need to add email address where you want to update mail update when your application going to update on or your application going on live on Play Store, then you get a notification in that mail ID. So add this and add category according to your application. So my app is a wallpaper application. Just click on last option and click on next. Now we just need to add your questions answer here. My app is not any language, or you can read this all question and put your answer. Approximate all questions have no option, so I have add all questions answer is no. Okay, click on save and click on next. Fill it all carefully. Click on next and click on submit. My this steps is done now, and again just click on dashboard. We just need to click on dashboard. And going on down, just click on target audience. We just target audience according to application. So we just target this 13 to 15, 16, 17 and 18 over. We just target this and click on next. You have just need to add target audience according to your application. Okay, and appeal to your children application, just click on no and click on next option. You can read also all messages according to this. So we just need to add no option and just click on next button. My this steps is also completed now. Just click on again dashboard. Scroll bar down and click on news app. So you can see this. If your application have news app, then you need to fill all information according to this. But my application is not news app. Just click on no and click on save. Just click on again dashboard. And you can see this new update on Play Console. So according to new Play Console COVID-19 related, you can see these messages. If your application have any COVID-19 tracing related, so you can just click on this option. Otherwise, if your application have not any COVID-19 related any tracing type application, just you need to the create on last option. Just click save. Just click okay. Read more. I have click this. Then you can read this all messages according to this. Complete the COVID-19 contact tracing and status app selection in the app content page. You can read this. What is this and what kinds of needed you. Not anything more. API requirement this. So we just need to the add. Just click last option. Checkbox okay and click on save option. And just click on dashboard again. And click on select app category. Now we just need a store setting option. My app is app not game. And select category according to your application. So my app is wallpaper app. Just we add productivity यहाँ पे personalization we just add personalization. You have need to just add according to your application. And add a manage tag. So my app is a personalization related category. So we just type this and select this tag. Click on apply. You can add one tag or two tag also. And add your mail ID. Just copy my mail ID and paste here. And you can add also your phone number, website. This is optional. You just need, if you want to add phone number and your website, then you can add this. So but I add this my website name also. So I add this my website name. And if you want to phone number also, you can add your phone number also. Okay. Now we just need to click save option. You can see my website also. My website is you can check this. I have given in description also. You can check if you want. Now we just open this again dashboard option. Open this dashboard again. Set up your store listing. Again click this option. Store listing part is very important. Now we just need to add short description, long description, screenshot, app logo, etc. I will add all. Now we have also created short description for my application. Just click on short description and full description also. If you are beginners, then don't use more text. You just need to 2 or 3 line only. Okay. And don't copy any text from anywhere. Just type your own word. Now I add this full description and short description, app name also. Scroll bar down and add my logo name. So just set this text. Just click on down and app icon. You need to your app icon size 512 and 512 height and width, approximate 1 MB size. Okay. So just copy this location, my app logo location. Just paste it here. Just select this, open this. If your logo size is not correct, then you got error message. So you just need to select size, proper size. You can check also size here given this. Banner image, logo and screenshot, app screenshot. You can check this 16:9 ratio and 9:16 aspect ratio also you can use. Now we just add upload option and click my screenshot also. I have created screenshot. If you want to create if you don't know how to create screenshot for application, I have just put this link also in my description box. You can check also and create your screenshot online free. Just click on save. So my store listing part is completed now. Just click on dashboard again. Scroll down. Just going in last steps. Don't do anything in all steps. Don't do anything. Okay. Just scroll down and going in last steps. You can check publish your app on Play Store. Okay. Just click on select country and region. Add country and click all. Add country region. Click on add. Now all country is added in application. Now your application is live on Play Store. Then these country have showed. So just open this option, create new release. We just need to create new release option. I have clicked this. Now we just open upload option. We need a signed APK file or signed bundle file. I have also already generated this my APK file. Just copy my location. Click on upload option. Paste it here location directory my APK file. Just click on this my build bundle APK and click on open. This is my signed build bundle. You can check this and wait for 2 or 3 minutes. It depends on application size. If your application size is large, then you need to some wait. Otherwise you can check also short description. So just copy my short description and release notes add here. You can add here. Otherwise you can add according to your application also. And don't type here release name, because when your application have uploaded, then your release name also automatically added. You can check this one app bundle uploaded. You get this message when your APK file is uploaded on Play Console. You can check this release note 1 and 1.0.0 automatically. Just click on save and click on release review and click on start rollout to production. If you have any error message, then you can check this. Just click on rollout and now my app is successfully published on Play Store. You can check this. I have not got any message. If you want to add privacy policy in your app, just click on app content. You can see this option. Just click on start. If you want to add privacy policy also, then you just need to do this. I want also add my privacy policy URL. So I open my privacy policy URL. Just copy my URL. This is my privacy policy for my application. Just copy this and add here and click on save. Now I have done all steps successfully. You can just check all apps. Just click on all app. You can see this. My app is successfully published and going in review. Now when 3 to 5 days approximate takes time for live on Play Store, you can see this. When my app is live on Play Store, then I will give also this link for download. You can see this. If you have any doubts or query or any questions related this, then you can watch this video again. And if you have any questions, then you can send me message in my Instagram or in my comment box. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and support us. Thank you.